Did you just get pre-approved for your new mortgage? You're finally ready to buy a house? The only problem is that you've got to stay under $400,000 and there's just nothing nice enough. Well, my new listing right here in prestigious Highland Park might be just what you're looking for. It even has owned solar. Can you believe you can afford a home with a gorgeous kitchen like this? Granite counters, big farmhouse sink, gorgeous stainless steel appliances like this gas range, and there's even a huge pantry for great storage. This Highland Park home has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. There's 1,452 square feet and even an indoor laundry room. Some things that you'll love about this home are the high ceilings, the beautiful upgraded crown molding, and the open, spacious feel. Because this is a newer home, it's so energy efficient, and with City of Reading utilities combined with that owned solar, the current owner has been getting money back at their true-up every year. At the end of the day, you'll love that short drive home into your attached 2-car garage and walk right into your kitchen with your groceries. This home is all about an easy, convenient lifestyle. Because if you want a lot of space, you're right by Highland Park, but you've got low maintenance. Being tucked back at the end means you've got lots of privacy and a bigger lot, so you've got lots of storage for all those outdoor toys and a nice sized courtyard that you can actually enjoy hanging out on, which is a great thing because you've got killer views of Lassen. And even though this home is so convenient, I bet sometimes you're just never gonna wanna leave. And that's perfect for the 4th of July because you've got an amazing view of the fireworks from your very own home. People love this location because it's by Trader Joe's and so many other great amenities. This is the kind of house that really helps you achieve that low-cost, easy lifestyle. Between the no commute, the solar, and no landscaping bills, this is an affordable opportunity to get into prestigious Highland Park. Can you believe you can actually afford this beautiful home right here in Highland Park with owned solar? We'd love to show you before it's gone. So call me, Stacey Baxter, and my Magnolia team at 530-209-1716. Because it's your life and it's your story. We're just trying to help you find an affordable Highland Park home to tell it in.